far as the last evening's operations is concerned, how India has retaliated. As far as Pakistan misadventure is concerned, along the LOC and international border, the misadventure continues, where there has been reports of Pakistan shelling that has been reported from multiple areas. But this is how India has effectively responded. Pratibha.
So the failed Pakistani drones have been located and we are looking at the visuals on the screens that show the moment of impact. And remember, there have been multiple incidents like this that have come in, multiple attempts that have come in from Pakistan. Our colleague Pavit is in fact on the broadcast with us with the details of what's happening on ground there. And Pavit, over the last several hours, we've seen multiple attempts by Pakistan. These failed Pakistani drones have now been located in the border areas, in Atari as well, all of them being neutralized by India.
Yes, exactly. From last couple of days, we're seeing that the escalation has started to improvise in the border areas, particularly if I talk about the international border areas that are adjoining to the Wagah Atari, or particularly if I talk about the Amritsar areas. Heavy firing was heard today morning also, and around 5 a.m. in the morning, these drones were neutralized around the Atari border. Now the probe is going on that where these the debris could be found. So the search operation has already started, where the police parties are looking for the same. Even the villages have been announced about the same, that even if any village or anyone finds any suspicious object anywhere, they should immediately inform about it to the police officials. If I talk about the today morning, the air sirens were on. The district administration issued advisories to the public out there in Amritsar that they should turn off their lights, the sirens will go on, and that they should stay away from the windows, they should curtain the windows because a possible drone attack is there. When the sirens were there, after that we got the information that around 5 a.m. Pakistani drones were shot by the Indian side, and now
around 50 of those Pakistani drones that have now been shot down. And what is being said, that the police, they're receiving information of the debris that is expected to be collected, because this will actually provide ample and direct evidence of Pakistan deep state involvement and how notorious the Pakistani army really is when it comes to carrying out such an effort and targeting Indian military installations and civilian areas as well. Search operations, what we are told, is being conducted. And as Pavit is pointing out, advisories that have been issued to general public in Amritsar, the border areas, especially when it comes to the citizens there who have been living in densely populated areas, they have been asked not to panic. But the citizens in Amritsar have been asked to stay vigilant, but do not panic. Colonel Rathod, I believe you have a... Yes, sir.
Yes. You're saying that police is looking for the debris of the drone, but these drones carry explosives. So, and also the electronic kit. That is why all debris have to be visited so that it is neutralized. Otherwise, it will become a public, it will be hazard for the public. And electronic kit can give you a lot of clue about its origin and other things. That is why they are looking for all the debris.
Okay.